Welcome back, Pure Structure Traders and YouTube, for another market recap for the U.S. session and how we traded off S&P 500 for the combine. Going to be showing you guys some of the trades we took. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Make sure you guys check out the market analysis videos as well if you guys are interested in seeing some of the levels we're trading from. And also, if you're also interested in joining us in the trade room, make sure you guys check out the free 5-day trial we have up on the website. We'll go ahead and link that website here to the video. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, we did see for the couple of days we saw downward movement. You see that during that London session we pulled down deeper and finally exploded back up. And for the US session, we saw the market just trying to gradually pull right back. And we had a support right between 64 to 66, some solid zones of support there, and below that 55 to 58, but we never really got back down to that. Instead, we kind of stalled right here. You can see right off this support area, came right back down into it, had a nice short opportunity down to it on the live account, and then from there had a good long opportunity back to the upside. Was anticipating getting back to 78 to 80 and then maybe trying the upside of those 96 to about 4300s. So we did see the market after a certain amount of time push right through and then finally get up into that area, but it did take a little bit of time, a little bit slower off the open, and took longer to get down to the support and then to push right back up. But we'll show you on the smaller chart before we move over what it kind of looked like. So 1 second. So here we could actually see on the combine, we ended up seeing the market get up into our area of resistance, and then from there just getting some opportunities to get the short back down. You can see came all the way back down into our level of 64, 65, and then from there we started to analyze a nice break back to the upside and a long opportunity. So we ended up taking a nice long opportunity up, and you can see on the combine we ended up just taking one trade today on the combine. We had most of our trades on the other account, but on today's combine we took a nice one right off 71 into 71.50 into 73.50, 2 lots, easy 200 bucks for the combine. So we didn't really go too far, we didn't take a lot of trades on this. Let me just escape this. Sorry, it's not supposed to be up there. Yeah, but we didn't go too far. We didn't take too much trades on this. Just took one, but it mounted into a very profitable trade for 2 points. And then you can see upside again pushed into those 70 to 80. So really wasn't a difficult day to trade. It's just mainly we had to be more patient in our trade entries, as when we got into the open, the market was kind of pulling downward and then came right back up into our area of resistance, and then from there started to fall off again. So we had to wait for a pullback, got that pullback back, got that resistance to happen, and then got a nice short down. And then we had another opportunity where the market had the support bounces. Took a little bit of time for it to start to gradually push up. So if you were in the trade room with us, you would have seen how long it actually took for it to actually move. But it finally moved up into our resistance areas again from the supports, and got some good profits off that. And you can see on the combine we got this one too. So we'll play the video for you guys so you guys can see the actual trade that we took and see exactly what we were trying to do in this trade as well, trying to go long. And again, if you guys were in the room, you would know why we ended up trying to go long. That was one of our main support areas and we couldn't break down, and we had our rules for entry, so we were just analyzing exactly when to enter and why we wanted to stay in the trade, as it kept fluctuating up and down, but at one point finally moved in our direction. So again, a lot of this is based off of patience and discipline and making sure you consistently trade your process and not worry so much about the outcome. Again, over trading, emotional trading tends to happen when you're not trading according to your process and according to your rules and according to how you set up the charts and you analyze things. You know, that's when it gets real emotional. So if you guys are giving into emotional trading or over trading, you got to really buckle down and see exactly where you're going wrong and make sure you change those things, because if you don't address those things, if you don't change them, again, you're really not going to find success in this business. But yep, that pretty much wraps it up. We're going to go ahead and show you guys the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Again, if you guys do like these videos, smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. You guys take care. Have a great night.